paano mo tinitignan integrity when it comes to your work in the banking sector?
Alam mo, yung integrity, it means a lot because pag tinitignan mo, that requires you to really have that face-to-face interaction with your customers. And then you'll get to understand more about who they are, what they do. Naalala ko doon sa isa kong napagtrabahuhan. Ayoko sanang banggitin yung pangalan, but is one of the tycoons locally. Parati niya sinasabi sa akin, siguraduhin mo na yung pinapauting nating pera, hindi niya nilulustay, hindi niya nilalagay sa iba't ibang gamit. Pag sinabi niya na siya nang hiram ng pera sa atin at itong pera na to pambibili ng supplies to fill in the old stock, siguraduhin mo na doon pumupunta. At pag doon mo nakikita na tama, may integridad yung tao, suportahan mo. Tandaan mo, negosyo up and down. Suportahan mo kasi nung ako'y nagsisimula, sinuportahan ako dahil nakikita naman nila yung pera na aking inutang, inilalagay ko dun sa tama. So when I do get to see that in the customers that we get to face, by having that interaction, then I know that these are the right people that we should be dealing with.